Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you are well and safe at home. I am going to teach you the first chapter in English, Who Did Patrick's Homework? Now, the story goes that Patrick was a young boy and he never did his homework. He felt it very boring. He always played basketball, hockey, and Nintendo all the time. His teachers advised him that Patrick, if you don't do your homework regularly, you will not learn a thing. It was indeed true. He did felt like an ignoramus with his friends around. Now ignoramus का मतलब है कि जब भी वो अपने दोस्तों के साथ रहता था तब उसे कुछ भी ज्ञान नहीं रहता था कि वो किस बारे में बात करता है, क्योंकि वो कभी पढ़ाई करता ही नहीं था. बट वॉट कुड ही डू? ही हेटेड होमवर्क. उसे होमवर्क करना पसंद ही नहीं था. वन डे when he was playing, he saw his pet cat playing with a little doll. He quickly grabbed it, but to his surprise, it was not a doll but a little elf, a tiniest creature Patrick had ever seen. Patrick was surprised because the elf yelled to save him from the cat. He also promised him to grant a wish if he saved him. उसने पैट्रिक से कहा कि अगर तुमने मुझे इस कैट से बचाया तो मैं तुम्हें एक विश, तुम्हारी इच्छा पूरी करूँगा. Now here Patrick could not believe his luck because God had sent him an answer to all his problems. So he said, if you do all my homework till the end of the semester, I will surely save you. If you do good work, I could also get A's in all the subjects. अब उसे तो ये लग रहा था कि भगवान ने उसके लिए प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने का आंसर दे दिया है. उसने एल्फ से कहा कि अगर तुमने मेरा पूरा होमवर्क किया तो मैं तुम्हें एक विश ग्रांट करूँगा. द एल्फ एक्सप्रेस्ड हिज डिस्प्लेजर बट ही हैड प्रॉमिस्ड टू ग्रांट अ विश, सो ही अग्रीड. True to his word, the elf began to do Patrick's homework. But he needed Patrick's help in every subject. He used to shout, Patrick, go and bring the dictionary. I don't understand this word, so tell me the meaning of this word. Or even better, look up the word and pronounce it well. Then when it came to maths, he did not know anything. Tables, addition, subtraction, fractions. So he used to tell him to sit down beside him and help him. The elf know nothing about human history because it is always a mystery to them. So the elf would shout again, go to the library and bring me more and more books and read them to me every day and everywhere. The elf was turning out to be a nag. वो उसे बार बार परेशान करता था, यानी उसी से काम सब करवाता था, पैट्रिक से ही. Patrick was working harder. He used to stay up late at nights and work very hard to help the elf do his homework. So the next morning when he went to school, his eyes were puffed and glary. यानी सूजी हुई आंखें. Now finally the last day of the semester arrived. Work was completed. So the elf quietly slipped away from the back door. Patrick got A's in all the subjects. Now his friends and parents were surprised. His teachers were also happy because he had got A's in all the subjects. Patrick had changed completely into an ideal kid. वो एकदम completely बदल चुका था, एक अच्छा लड़का बन गया था जो अपना पूरा काम अपने आप करने लगा था और जो पहले किसी के ऊपर गुस्सा होता था वो भी नहीं होता था, अपना रूम भी एकदम साफ रखता था. तो सभी को आश्चर्य हो रहा था. He still thought the elf had done his homework, whereas the truth was that he had done it himself. But it was not true, क्योंकि उसने खुद ही होमवर्क किया था और वो उसका एल्फ ने नहीं किया था. Now, children, this is the end of the lesson. In the next video, I will send you the word meanings and question answers. So, thank you.